Hi there. Today we will learn how to fix if your iPhone volume buttons are not working properly. Now if you're trying to tap your volume buttons either up or down and it's not changing your volume or ringer level, I'm going to walk you through a step that'll definitely get it fixed. So tap into our settings and we will tap on sounds and haptics here. Now the key here is that if I turn the volume button on the actual buttons, you can see it changes this slider right here. However, right under it is change with buttons, so if that is toggled off, then no matter how much I press this up and down, it won't change that ringtone and alert volume, so I need to turn that on, change with buttons, and now I can adjust that just with the buttons, tapping the buttons up or down. Of course, if you go through these steps and they still don't work, I recommend just restarting your phone, tapping the volume up and power button and sliding to power off your phone and restart it. See if the volume buttons work at that point. If they still don't work, it might be a hardware issue where you need to go to Apple and ask them why are these buttons themselves not working. They might need to either fix them or replace your iPhone. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe.